the way, make money all the way. Yeah. If you are still struggling on how to make profit, I want to tell you to try this strategy. Try this strategy. This strategy will give you what you want, and it's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. When you trade on a strategy that you are sure of, you will be able to make profits. I'm not going to waste your time. This is Crash 300. I'm just going to go straight to the point to tell you the possible entry point. Please, if you are new in my channel, I want to beg you to feel free to subscribe now. Please subscribe to our channel and also turn the notification bell. My name is GDFX. I try my possible best to make sure that anybody that watch my videos must find something interesting, to be sure that you will make money. I normally say that my mission here is not to train you to be a professional trader, but my target is to make sure that you will be a profitable trader. A profitable trader. The business, the mission is to count in dollars. The mission is to count in dollars. And if you are counting in dollars, it's an opportunity for you to take care of some pressing needs and also move on. Thank you to my returning subscribers, and to my new subscribers, I want to say thank you. And for you that have not subscribed, that always watch my video, I want to say thank you. We are here because you are there. All right, let's go down to the business of the day. I'm not going to waste your time. This strategy works for Crash 300, Boom 300, Crash 500. This strategy works for this one. It works for 300, 500, Boom 500, 1000. These ones I'm taking. It works for them, all of them. Both step index. It works for them, all of them. All right. Now, these ones you have here now, I think I should be closing this trade. Yes, I should be closing it for now. I should be closing this trade so that we will talk. All right. This strategy you are seeing here, how do you confirm that it is timed for a spike? Number one, the time frame to use, you know that there is no confirmed time frame for any strategy. The best strategy, the best time frame is for you to go to your higher time frame first to check the candle that is trending. This is bearish candle. Once you confirm that it's a bearish candle and you check the weak candle, you check to know the price action, because it is the price action that helps you to balance your trade. Once you check your price action, you are sure that it is now going to reverse, that the possible momentum of this thing selling will be possible, and that the momentum of buyers are giving up. So at that time, you know that it should be reversing. So how do you confirm that this trade now is going to be a spike zone all the way? You must watch for a breakout here. Why did I close that trade? I closed it because I took the trade because of this weak candle, and the market refused to cross over to form a moving that is uptrend. So I took that trade. So why did I close it? I closed it because it is possible for this bearish candle here now. It's possible for this bearish candle here to empty to turn to a weak candle. It's possible. So I did not enter the trade because it's an uptrend or downtrend. No, I entered it based on candlestick pattern. Okay, I entered it based on candlestick pattern. So for you to trade with using this strategy to confirm your trade, number one, watch the movement of this place. How? This place has a support zone, and in this support zone, it's a must for this thing to break out here first. See, I'm trying to tell you, this thing is a lecture. It's not just about strategy. I'm trying to tell you the simple truth. If this thing can break out from here now, which means this one now will start going down like this. Watch my window 2 indicator. This thing will now start going down like this and touch here. Once it touch 10, it will now start making a curve, but the center one will not completely touch this place. It will get to somewhere like here, like 20 or thereabout, but the white one will completely touch this place and make a curve like this, and make a curve, and make a serious curve. Get that now, please. And make a curve. So why did this thing move down like this? It moved down because this 50 levels is also standing as a resistance level. So if anything crosses above the 50, it's an opportunity for you to know that this market has finally crossed some certain levels. All right. So now, you know, this one now, we need to touch the 10 levels completely. It has to touch here first, then and now make a move. Why the blue will enter at the middle of the 20 and now make a move. Your first TP should be here. Then at this point, you are ready to do scalping. By then, this candle must have closed here and open another one that will touch to this place, and the next candle that will open, the next one will now open. From there, the thing will start going up like that, which the resistance level is here, which the support zone is here. Do you get that? So the market did not cross here, neither did it cross here, so you don't enter at this point. So that is why I closed the trade, and you can still watch that trade now. You can still watch that candle. Ever since I closed that trade, the thing is still moving up like this. Watch it. The thing is still moving up. So had it been that I left the trade here now, which means that that candle, that market will have been somewhere around here now, and I should be losing the profit. Okay, do you get that? So this is how we enter the trade. So once you see this trade on a higher time frame, you now go down to 5 minutes time frame. In your 5 minutes time frame, what do you do here now? Now, since you have seen that candle in 1 hour time frame can still pull down. Get that? Can still pull down. So some of us that believe mostly on crossing, and then once it crosses that you enter your trade. See, if you enter this thing now, it's possible for that candle on 1 minute time, on 1 hour time frame. Look at it. It's possible for this candle to still pull down to come and rest on this support zone. Please get this. Please get this. So making 5 minutes time frame a liar, except that you have huge capital, because if this thing will get to this place now, this thing now may serve as a resistance zone. So this thing now will pull back to form a triple bottom. So the next one will open and touch again. The next one will open and touch again to give this thing a double bottom. And at that point, sometimes it can spike down to this place, because this one now is lower low, then another lower low. So this resistance, this upper resistance lows can also make this market to come somewhere like this. Do you get that? To come somewhere like this. To come somewhere like this. So it's possible for this thing to move small now, somewhere here, and spike down like this. Have you seen what I told you now? Have you seen? Please get that. Look at it. It has spiked. Check your 1 minute time frame. Have you seen it? So now go to 1 hour time frame. If you go to 1 hour time frame, have you seen it? So when you trade without having the right knowledge, it will frustrate you. So have you seen that now? So let's assume now that you entered based on cross. Look at this one. Blue is here already. Yellow has touched 10 levels. So if you had entered here now, what do you think that would have happened? You'll be crying by now. Why did it happen this way? Because you failed to monitor your trade carefully. Strategy most times is not the problem. The problem is the knowledge you have to trade with the strategy. All right. Have you seen it has started spiking? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? No, sometimes when we talk, it looks as if we are lying. Have you seen it? Where did I place that in today? I told us that this thing can be coming to this place. Do you see it? So some that believe in M shape, this thing can spike and come to this place. And you can still watch this thing. It has not break any resistance, any support zone in 1 hour time frame. Do you see that now? It has not. Until this thing breaks out from here and cross this thing with a higher candles, then that is when you will say that the market continues in downtrend. But until this thing breaks down like this, you don't say it has break down. You don't say it now downtrend completely. But here now the market is downtrend. But since it is forming heads, here you have 1, 2, 3. This is bullish candle. You have bullish candle. You have doji. You see that? So since it's forming this thing here now, and your stochastic oscillator has touched this thing, so which means for this thing now to continue trending, you must mind the zoom level. Which zoom level are you using? Now, do you see why this thing can still pull down? Because the zoom level, this thing has crossed 50. It's either it will touch here or it will now reverse to touch to 80 to 90 levels again. But so far so good. The market is trending downtrend using crash 300. So let me tell you. So when do I need to enter trade? Like as it stands now, if I want to enter, I can still enter on a condition to sell. Do you get that? I can still enter on a condition to sell. Selling for what? Selling until it touched the resistance, the support zone. Get that now? Okay. So let's check other this thing to see if that is possible. No, at this point you don't enter here, because at this place you don't say it's support zone, you don't say it's resistance zone. How do you check it? Check your 1 hour time frame. This type of candle is not a confirmed trade either for spike or for scalping. No, you must allow your trade to give you signal either for up or for down. But generally, how do you confirm that this candle, this particular strategy is going to spike? Number one, please watch this thing below here. Watch this thing below. Watch this thing below. Anytime when you are doing your market analysis and you see the yellow line, the green line and the white line touched together. I'm talking about the higher time frame now. If you see something like this, the green and the white touched together like this, if you see such thing, it's a big opportunity. Then how else do you confirm that it is genuine? Shake it. If you push it back, push it front, push it anyhow, they will not shift. It's good confirmation. Number one, good confirmation. Check it. Now, since this thing happened like this, check it here. Since it happened like this, then you now have the center, the first indicator, first window here to confirm. Check it here. Check it. Now, why this one is not moving, that one also will not move. Get that? Get that? Do you see it? None of them is shifting anywhere. Look at it. Do you get that? Then when that happens, it's an opportunity for you to enter your trade. What I'm saying is, even if the moving average is not giving you, even if the moving average in your windows is not giving you the distance, check it. You will not have any resistance level on top, because this one did not lie. So from here now, You know what it means now. You know that this is where you should enter. From here, you enter to this place, at least somewhere here, because from here it becomes a resistance level that this place may not allow you, because you have a support zone here that have to contend with this one, and this weak candle will tell you that it's going down. But even if you hold it, it will still come back and pull again, and from there it will make a strong move. Then that one is for scalping. Then for catching spike, how do you know like what is happening here now? What is happening? If you see as you're moving, the thing will be coming down. Then for catching spike, how do you know that it's time for you to catch spike and hold for a long time? And hold for a long time. Check for the same thing, the same possible thing. I'm telling you what will happen when you are trading for a long time, but in your lower time frame you have higher possible entry point. Do you see that sometimes it will be hard for you to find one, but you are saying, am I not seeing those things here? Yes, but it's for clearer confirmation. All right, do you see? So but you may be asking, are those things not spike? They are, but they are spike that happened on a higher time frame. Do you get that now? Now, for you to find these things, now check this place. After this consolidation here, check from here, from your this thing here. If we move front, it is below 90 and the 80. Check it. Now watch this one here. This one refused to move down. Once you see a strong distance like this, it's showing you that even if there is a little pull down like this, that the market will still go down. But you know, when trading in such thing like this, I don't know how much you have in your capital that can handle this thing before the market will now respond to your sell entries. All right, so you should know those things, that it's not advisable for you to trade when you are not sure. Now let's check. All right, now this one now is also ranging, but it has not showed up completely. If this thing will pull down small like this and cross this place, I will enter, because you enter at the rule that your window one will need to reverse and at least cross 50. You close your spike. Do you get that? Or it will move on for scalping and take this place as a resistance zone. Do you get that? So this strategy is wonderful. Now go down to 5 minutes time frame. Do you see why you can't enter here? Because the market is ranging, it's doing consolidation, it's ranging here. So any entry here now, you must allow the market to take its decision before you. But somebody will say, this thing is an uptrend, so which means it's a must for it to pull down. It's not true. It's not true. It's possible that after here now it will continue to pull to go up. Why? Because the thing that happened uptrend is on a lower time frame. The higher time frame still have the ability to shift the momentum to a upper high. Do you get that? Because here you have high, high. Okay, but you still have high, 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 high. So when you want to draw your this thing now, it should be something like this. You get that? It should be something like this. It should be something like this. You get that? So if this thing will break out from here now, which means the horizontal that you will drop, sorry, you can draw something like this. So any breakout from these things now will give you an opportunity for you to know that it has changed direction completely. All right, look at it. You get that? It will give you an opportunity to know that the market has changed direction completely. So this is how it works. So your entry point, you can ask me, so when do I need to enter completely? You Do you see this? Do you get that now? Have you seen it? Look at that one I entered before. Have you seen it? So it's not, I don't know how to explain it. It's not that we look at it. I entered on the condition that this thing must touch here. And now that this candle have reached to this level, I don't have any other choice than to take my profits. Do you see that? Than to take my profits. Do you see that now? Than to take my profit, because anything less than this will incur into losses. Do you get that? Because that place in your 1 hour time frame, this is a resistance zone, but in your 1 minute time frame is on a spike zone. Do you get that now? So after here now, what you will see now should be a consolidation. It will move and spike, moves and spike, move and spike. Let me use this thing. It will be something like this. Then so that it will form a double bottom. It will not, and it is at this point that some people will enter trade thinking that the resistance level will help the market to spike down, not knowing that the decision is being taken from a higher time frame. Do you see that? It has started. See it here, it has started. And this one now will complete that candle. Do you see it? It will complete the candle. But if this thing breaks out from here, it's an opportunity for somebody to take any amount of money he wants or she wants from the trade. So my name is GDFX. Please, sorry that sometimes my video is long. I'm very, very sorry. I don't know why. Sorry that the video is long. Please, I beg you to follow the instructions carefully. I don't just know how, but I don't know how to just place trade, just leave the market like that. Let me give you the indicators. The indicator is number 1, 21 moving average. Screenshot it like this. 21 moving average. The second moving average is 13. The third moving average is 8. Then the indicator window 1 is stochastic oscillator, 13, 3, close exponential. Then you use the background color. Then the alligator, you know this one now, 1455, maybe for my new subscribers or new viewers. All right. Then the stochastic oscillator, the same thing you have on that place. Then the average directional movement, 14. But if you are using a smaller account, please make sure you will change this thing to at least 5 or 3, depending on your thing. And at least I have capital here. Then the last one is moving average 8. Use color that will show. If you're using white background, you use black or red, anything of your choice. So please, my name is GDFS. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and always ask questions if you need. So anytime you see a cross here, anytime you see a cross here on the upper here and below here, and you see a cross of white here, you will enter your trade. Do you see what is happening? This is what is happening. So that is how market is. Please feel free to recommend my video to other people, and also drop your comment and ask questions. And to my students that I'm mentoring, I wish you success. I'm happy that some people are really making it through forex trading. I'm happy. This is one of the comments that somebody dropped after watching some videos. It says it's really needful for beginners not to settle for videos only alone, or they will see themselves losing all their money, just like me when I newly started trading with these videos here on YouTube. I dropped this for you to know that when you use all the strategies on the YouTube, you don't blame the YouTube creators for sending the strategies. If the strategy is not working, does not mean that if the strategy is not working for you, does not mean that strategy does not work. But it's not working because you don't have the proper knowledge. So if you need mentorship, I am here. Please remember that it's not free. Business is not free. I don't do free business. So please contact me if you need my mentorship, and I promise I will not fail you. You must change your trading experience from zero to hero. Thank you. Keep winning. GDFS signing out.